All of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision number 1 of chapter number 6, lines and angles. And let us see the different types of questions under this chapter. First type of question is pair of angles, and the second type of question is based on parallel lines and transversal, and the third type of question is based on angle sum property of triangle. So only three categories are there. So we'll complete the revision in three section: revision 1, revision 2, revision 3. Okay, so pair of angles may one theorems, one type of question, one theorem is there, and the second complementary and supplementary angles based questions, and the third one is to find the angle based on some given condition, and the fourth one is proof related questions. Okay, so these are the four different types of questions under this category, that is pair of angles. And the second type of the question is parallel lines and a transversal line. The first one is theorems, and the second one is to find the angle based on given condition, and the third one is proof related questions. In angle sum property of triangle also, one is theorem, second is to find the angles based on the given condition, and the third one is proof related questions. So these are the different types of questions in lines and angles. So let us start with the first topic, that is pair of angles. So pair of angles, so I'm going to revise the important parts. Okay, I'm not going to teach the full chapter. This is the most important part of this chapter, that is linear pair axiom. According to that, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Okay, adjacent angles क्या होता है? What are adjacent angles? Arpita?
Sir, angles that have a common ray.
Common arm. Okay, fine. Two angles are said to be adjacent if they have one common arm. Okay, or ray. Next, axiom 6.2. This is the converse of the axiom 6.1. If the sum of the two adjacent angle is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angle form a straight line. Okay, form a line. And next, let us move towards complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equals to 90 degree. Okay, for example, uh, and two complementary angles are called the complement of each other. For example, 60 and 30 degree. So 60 and 30 degree are called the complement of each other. 60 का complement 30 होगा, 30 का complement 60 होगा, right? For example, angle measuring 65 degree and 25 degree are complementary angles because their sum is equals to 90 degree. And supplementary angles. Let us move towards supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is equals to 180 degree, right? And two supplementary angles are called the supplement of each other. Example, 62 degree and 118 degree. So these two angles are supplementary angles because their sum is equals to 180 degree, and these are supplement of each other. 62 is a supplement of 118 and 118 degree is the supplement of 62 degree. Any doubt in this question, these statements?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards the questions based on complementary angles and supplementary angles. So let us start with the question. I will take one example only. Find the measure of an angle which is 24 degree more than its complement. 24 degree more than. So we'll take, let the angle be x. Okay, let the measure of the required angle be x degree. The measure of its complement is 90 minus x. Now in the question it is given that measure of angle which is 24 more than its complement, and we took measure of angle x. That means x जो है उसके complement से 24 डिग्री ज़्यादा है. So according to the question, x minus 90 minus x is equals to 24. Or you can write in this way also, x is equals to 90 degree minus x plus 24. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ इफ यू राइट इन दिस वे देन you will get 2x is equals to 114. ये कैसे है देख लो, मैं इसमें समझा रहा हूँ. If you shift this to this side, this will become x plus x, and 90 plus 24 will become 114 degree. Okay, then you will get 2x is equals to 114 degree. So what is the value of x?
57.
57 degree, right? So any doubt in this question? Hence the measure of the required angle is 57 degree. Now we'll see one example of supplementary angle. Find the measure of an angle which is 32 degree less than its supplement. 32 degree less than its supplement. So we'll take measure of the required angle be x. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या इसका सप्लीमेंट क्या होगा? What is the supplement angle of x degree?
180 minus x.
Right, 180 minus x. Now क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है कि this angle is 32 degree less than its supplement. Less than मतलब minus, कम होना. So x is equals to 180 degree minus x minus 32. Again, if you shift minus x to this side, it will become plus x plus x, and 180 minus 32 कितना होगा? What will be 180 minus 32?
148.
148, right? Okay, so according to the statement we have 180 minus x is equals to 32. In this way also we can write. देखो अब ये वाला स्टेटमेंट कैसे लिखा हुआ देखो, ये जो एंगल है इससे 32 ज्यादा है, कम है, मतलब इन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 32. ओके, according to this statement I am explaining. See, in the question it is given that this angle is 32 less than this angle. That means the difference of these two angle is 32. ये सीधा सीधा हो गया. और यहाँ पे otherwise this angle is 32 less than this angle means minus 32. So दोनों में से कोई भी एक मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं. Now if you use, you will get 2x is equals to 148. And what will be the value of x?
74.
74. Hence the measure of the required angle is 74. Okay, so one type of question we have completed, that is a question based on complementary and supplementary angles. Now we'll see one theorem. This is based on vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle क्या होता है? If two lines intersect, then the pair of non-adjacent angles, the pair of angles which do not have any common arm. एक तो ये वाला हो गया, ये दोनों. Okay, we can't take this two because one common arm, and other pair is this one. So these are called vertically opposite angles. Is that clear? Now we have to show that these are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us start with the diagram. AB and CD are intersect at point O, and right, this is the given. And what we have to prove that angle AOD is equals to angle BOC. These two angle we have to prove, and these two angle we have to prove. Angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. Okay, so now we'll start with the first bit. फर्स्ट बिट के लिए ध्यान से देखो, OA stands on CD ray. So the sum of these two angles, AOC or AOD, the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree, and the reason is linear pair. Okay, now what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degrees.
This is also 180 degree, right? Similarly, OD stands, we can take this two also or this two also, anyone we can take. Similarly, OD stands on line AB, So angle AOD plus angle BOD is equals to 180 degree, and from this two we conclude that angle AOC plus angle AOD is equals to angle AOD plus angle BOD, and these two are the same angle, so we can eliminate these two angles. So this will imply angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. This is the first proof. Now to prove these two angles are equal, we have to take this two pair. ठीक है? Similarly, angle AOD is equals to angle BOC. अगर ये दोनों लेंगे तो हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा? देखो, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Okay, now see the left hand side. See the left hand side of this and this one. इसमें क्या चीज कॉमन है? एंगल AOC. किसी का माइक ऑन है, देखो, ऑफ करो. सो एंगल AOC अगर हम लोग निकाल देते हैं तो क्या मिलेगा? एंगल AOD is equals to angle BOC. But we can write similarly these two angles are equal. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now only one theorem is there and for first topic. So now we'll move towards the another type of question, that is to find the angles, and next is proof related question. So to find the angles, मैं first exercise के questions ले रहा हूँ. Before that, let us see one example. In the adjoining figure, what value of x will make AOB a straight line? So if AOB is a straight line, what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
Why?
The linear pair.
Right,
pair.
linear pair. So AOB will be a straight line if the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So 3x plus 5 plus 2x minus 25 is equals to 180 degree. 3x plus 2x will become 5x, and 5 minus 25 will become minus 20, और minus 20 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो plus 20 हो जाएगा, that will become 200. So what is the value of x?
40.
40, right. Okay, so hence x is equals to 40 will make AOB a straight line. So we'll move towards now exercise question. This is very good question. In figure, lines xy and mn intersect at point O. If angle POY, this angle is equals to 90 degree, and the ratio of these two angle is 2:3. Find the angle C. अभी रेशियो में हम लोग पढ़े हैं, रेशियो में कभी भी रेशियो दिया रहता है तो हम लोग क्या लेते हैं? 2x और 3x. Okay, so before that it is given that A is to B is equals to 2:3. So let A is equals to 2x degree and B is equals to 3x degree. Now what is the sum of these two angles? Angle XOP and angle POY. POX or POY?
180 degrees.
180 degree. Why
180
degree?
degrees.
Linear pair. Okay, so in the given figure, ray OP stands on XY, so the sum of these two angles is 180 degree, and we know the value of this angle. What is the value of this angle?
90 degrees.
90 degree.
90 degrees.
And this angle we can split up into in A plus B. So this, after this we can write A plus B plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so this is step is clear. So what is the value of A plus B?
2x.
2x plus 3x.
What is the value of A plus B from this equation?
90 degrees.
90
Right.
degrees, sir.
90
90
degree.
degree.
Now we will substitute A is equals to 2x and B is equals to 3x here. So 2x plus 3x will become 5x.
5x.
So what is the value of x?
28. No, 18.
18, right. So x is equals to 18. So A is equals to 2x, that is 2 into 18 will be equals to 36
36.
and b is equals to 3x. So 3 into 18 will be
54.
54, right? 54. So we got both the values. अब हम लोग को c निकालना है. How will you find c? C, we have two method. Either we can take these two angles. Okay, b plus c. What is the value of b plus c? 180 degree. Or we can use this also. ये पूरा जो angle है, the complete angle, this one and this angle, these are equal. Why these two angles are equal?
Vertically opposite.
Opposite angle.
So we will see both the method. First b plus c. Again ray OX stands on MN. This is MN. Okay, I'm correcting here only. Huh. Right. So b plus c is equals to the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. Now substitute the value of b. What is b? 54. 54.
54.
So 54 plus c is equals to 180 degree. Now shift 54 to this side. So that will become minus 54. So c is equals to 180 degree minus 54 degree. So final answer?
126 degree.
Right, 126 degree. ये तो फर्स्ट मेथड हो गया, hence c is equals to 126. अभी सेकंड वाला मेथड देखो जो बहुत इजी है. c is equals to a plus 90. And what is the value of a?
36.
Right, 36 plus 90. What is 36 plus 90?
126.
Right. So दोनों में कौन सा मेथड इजी है? सेकंड और फर्स्ट? सेकंड वन, लेकिन इतना ही स्टेप नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट angle XON is equals to angle MOY, vertically opposite angle. Then angle XON is equals to angle POM plus POY. उसके बाद लिखना है C is equals to A plus 90. ठीक है, दोनों में उतना ही काम है. So now let us move towards another question, question number 3. Now this is proof related question. In figure, angle PQR, this angle is equals to angle PRQ. So this angle is equals to this angle. Prove that angle PQS, the exterior angle, this one, is equals to angle PRT. Okay. So what is the sum of these two angles?
180.
What is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
180 degree. Why 180 degree?
So linear pair.
Right.
Linear
Okay.
pair.
So we'll start with the with our step. Since ray QP stands on ST, so we have the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Let it be equation number 1. Okay. Now similarly PR stands on ST. See, if you don't want to write this one, you can directly write the sum of these two angles is 180 degree and linear pair. Okay, now again RP stands on ST, so the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. Let it be equation number 2. Now both are equals to 180 degree. So from first and second equation we conclude that the left hand side is also equal. अभी इसमें ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल हैं. These two angles are equal. No, not this one. Wait. PQR, angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. These two angles are equal. So मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इसके जगह पे PRQ लिख दिया. Now see these two angles we can eliminate. Right? If we eliminate these two angles, what we are going to get?
Angle
PQS.
Okay. एक मिनट, कोई एक बोलेगा ना? नेहा बोलो.
Sir, angle PQS is equal to angle PRT.
Right. So यही प्रूफ करना था हम लोग को.
Yes,
So
sir.
now we'll move towards another question that is also a proof related question. Question number 4. If x plus y is equals to w plus z, x plus y is equals to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So we know that the sum of all the angles around a point is 360 degree. That is complete angle. So ये सबका sum क्या कितना हो जाएगा 360 degree. The sum of all these four angles, that is x plus y plus z plus w is equals to 360 degree. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir. No,
Okay.
sir.
Now
No, sir.
we will make a group like that. अब कोई एक को रिप्लेस कर देंगे, either x plus y as z plus w या z plus w as x plus y, because these two are equal. So we'll replace this one. इसको हम लोग रिप्लेस कर दिए x plus y से. Why? Because these two are equal. Now this 2 will become 2 times x plus y is equals to 360. So what is the value of x plus y?
180 degree.
Right. 180 degree. So this will imply AOB is a straight line. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 5. Now this is very a good question. In figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is a perpendicular to line PQ, and OS another ray lying between rays OP and OR, in दोनों के बीच में. So we have to prove that angle ROS is equals to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay. So we'll start with first what is given, that OR is perpendicular to PQ. This is given. So we can write that these two angles is equals to 90 degree. ठीक है. OR जब perpendicular दिया हुआ है PQ से, so these two angles are equals to 90 degree. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So ये दोनों जो येलो कलर और ग्रीन कलर का दिख रहा है, दोनों 90 डिग्री है. Okay. So we'll take these two equations first. So these two angles are equal because each equals to 90 degree. Now how will you break ROP and angle ROP? ये पूरा येलो एंगल को कैसे ब्रेक करोगे?
Sir, angle ROS.
ROS plus angle SOP.
Sai Suhas, you tell me.
Sir, angle ROS plus angle SOP.
ओके. POS बोलेंगे क्योंकि हम लोग ऑलरेडी POS नोमेनक्लेचर दिया हुआ है. ओके फाइन. नेक्स्ट, हाउ विल यू राइट ROQ इन टर्म्स ऑफ ROS? एक मिनट. Vindhya is present.
Yes, sir.
How will you write angle ROQ in terms of angle ROS?
SOQ minus ROQ.
ROS.
SOQ minus ROS.
S. Very good. Okay. So we are going to replace one by one. पहले हम लोग इसको replace कर दिए ROP को, that is angle POS plus angle ROS. Now we are going to replace this also. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay. अब इसको इस तरफ शिफ्ट करो और POS को इस तरफ शिफ्ट करो. So when you will shift minus angle ROS to this side, it will become plus ROS. And when you will shift angle POS to right hand side, it will become minus POS. This one. Okay. So this will become 2 times angle ROS. Now we got the final step. We will get the final step in the next step. Any doubt? Very simple proof.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards one example. This is very good example. Prove that the bisectors of the angles of a linear pair are at right angles. Bisectors, prove that the bisectors of the angles of a linear pair are at right angles. So पहले एक linear pair बना लेते हैं, right? Linear pair देख लो ध्यान से. Angle AOC, angle BOC. And OD and OE are the bisectors. Angle AOC, angle BOC, these two angles form a linear pair, and OD is the bisector of angle AOC, OE is the bisector of angle BOC. Okay. Now what we have to prove? Bisector of the angles means this angle. ध्यान से देखो, एंगल COD and another angle COE. ये दोनों एंगल 90 डिग्री फॉर्म कर रहा है. दैट वी हैव टू शो. दैट इज एंगल DOE. So we'll start with the linear pair first. What is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
Right. Since AOB is a straight line and the ray OC stands on it, so angle AOB plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we are going to take half of both sides. So half of 180 will become 90. Now what is half of angle AOC?
DOC angle.
So we can write this angle also, this angle also. Okay, दोनों में से कोई भी एक angle लिख सकते हैं. Why? Because OD is the bisector of angle AOC. Similarly, angle BOC we can write either this angle or this angle, because OE is the bisector of angle BOC. Okay, so I'm going to replace it. See, this yellow, I'm going to replace it by yellow angle. I'm going to replace it by half of angle AOC, and this blue color I'm going to replace it by half of angle BOC. Okay, half of angle AOC is replaced by which angle?
Angle DOC.
Angle DOC, right. And angle, half of angle BOC, we are going to replace it by,
Angle
COE.
COE.
right. And if we add these two angles, what you are going to get?
Angle DOC.
Angle DOE. Okay, because the sum of if the sum of these two angles is angle DOE. So hence the bisectors of a linear pair are at right angles. So this is the proof of this question. Now all type of question we have completed. Pair of angles में first था theorem, वो एक ही था, वो कर लिए. And to questions based on complementary angles and supplementary angles, that also we have completed. To find the angles based on some given condition or figure, that also we did. And proof related questions also we did. This is not from your textbook, this is outside. And we completed some questions also of our first exercise. So I think this is sufficient for today's revision. That is revision number 1. You practice all the questions and examples also. The example what is given in your NCERT book. So let us move towards the another section, assignment. So only 4 questions are there, and these 2 questions are based on to find the value of to find the angles based on some condition, and third question based on supplementary angles, and fourth question based on complementary angles. Okay, so this you have to complete and you have to submit through Google Classroom. So that's all for today's class. Thank you very much. आज के क्लास में कोई डाउट तो नहीं है ना किसी को?
No, sir.
Okay.